gonna be recording each and every day. The concept of the day is gonna be managed code. Let's talk about managed code. So managed code in the morning and going to the gym. This won't work. Morning devs. Today I'm bringing a very fun challenge. I'm gonna be recording each and every day for 2 to 3 minutes. Why am I doing this exactly? Because I'm trying to improve my communications and how I interact with the camera. You know, when you're outside and actually recording, it kind of gets awkward, and also you're like, okay, sometimes it doesn't feel like genuine. So I've seen challenges, people doing it for 14 days, 30 days, talking to a camera, trying to improve their communication. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Fun part is you're gonna get your technical parts. I'm gonna be talking about my code and what I've learned. That means each and every day you're gonna get a concept of the week, and I also get to improve. So why not? Let's not be the typical engineer in the corner, just coding. Let's interact with the camera. The trick is, each and every day I take the very first clip that I record. There's no do-overs, so to make sure that I become genuine when I'm talking to the camera, even including this clip. So let's get into it. I'm even doing everything differently. Here's the outfit check. Just your normal engineer stuff, sweatpants and a goatee, a company goatee. That's it. Let's go to the office. Just so you know, my code is managed. I'm the garbage collector myself. Now that I actually made that corny joke, the concept of the day is gonna be managed code. I'm gonna be telling you about that, about the garbage collector, because some of you might not understand what I'm talking about. It's a C# concept. I'll tell you about it when I get into the office. Let's talk about the managed code that I talked about earlier. So managed code in C# refers to the code that is executed by the common language runtime, which people refer to as the CLR, which is the major key component of the .NET framework. So when you're writing in languages like C#, F#, VB.NET, which are languages that are supported by like the framework, the .NET framework, those languages, it will be compiled into an intermediate language which will be executed by the CLR. So any other language that you're going to use, whether it's going to be an import or you're trying to integrate a system, that code will not be executed by the CLR. It will be executed somewhere else. So that will be unmanaged code because it's not managed by the CLR. So managed code, let me talk about the benefits. What happens when you actually use VB or C# and your code is actually managed. First of all, there's a lot that happens when it has to be translated to intermediate language, and then it also gets translated by the JIT compilation into a native machine code. But I'm not going to focus on that. I'm going to talk about memory management, exception handling, and security. First of all, if you're using those languages, which means your code is managed, you're going to have automatic memory management. So it uses the garbage collector, which clears out memory. Anything that is not of use, the garbage collector will come and remove that, so you have better memory management if your code is managed. Exception handling. So you will benefit from exception handling that will be automatic because the CLR provides an exception handling that is built in, so that will improve your code and it will make it more robust. Security, the CLR provides security model that helps protect and against unauthorized access system resources. So you're also gonna have that inbuilt, and that makes it way better, and your code is more managed. So that's the difference between managed and unmanaged code. Managed is written in C#, in C#, F#, VB.NET, whatever language that the Microsoft's .NET framework supports, and any imports that is not gonna be executed and it's gonna be executed by another runtime handler is not gonna be managed code. So managed code, you get security, you get memory management, you get exception handling. So overall, managed code has several advantages, including portability, memory, and whatever that I've said. So that's the difference. I hope you found that useful. And yes, that's what I meant when I said I'm the garbage collector, because my code is managed. Yeah, it was a cheesy joke. Good morning. This is my first day trying to wake up in the morning and going to the gym, changing my schedule, and I can tell this won't work. This won't work, yo. I'm so not used to waking up in the morning. I'm used to sleeping up late and then wake up a bit late. Usually wake up around 8 to 7 a.m. Actually 6:45. Man, this shit ain't gonna work. But yeah, I'm doing it. Maybe I might get too used to it. Okay, let me just keep it short. Okay, I'm going in the gym. I'm gonna be doing arms today. I did chest on Saturday. I didn't go yesterday because I wanted to go in the morning. So yeah, let's go have a nice workout. So surprised that people so wake up so early, man. The road is so full. Anyways, I'm day. Let's go. I know I said that it won't work. Nah, it's definitely gonna work. That was one of the most refreshing workouts. Now I'm gonna go hit a shower and let's commute. Day 2 outfit check. Watermelon for the road. That's the outfit for the day. Let's commute. A very good morning. Apologies for yesterday. I really didn't record much after the gym because when I went to the office it was busy and I actually forgot midday. Today is a new day. Let's go to the office once again and I'll tell you why I'm going to the office every day and what's happening. If you've been on this channel for a while, then you know that I mostly go to the offices on Tuesday and Thursday. Those are the mandatory days, but I've been going each and every day because we have a demo coming up on Thursday and we need to work together. So it's a team thing, so we're supposed to actually go in and we sit together so that we can work faster. I'm not on the development side. I'm configuring the screens. Since we're using the framework that we have at work, we don't really have to write the execute, so we have to just configure the screen. So with that being said, I have to go to the office up until the demo is done and I'll make sure that everything is fine. Currently we're going through the phases of testing, so they're testing while we're also doing the thing. So of course it's a bit urgent at this point. So yeah, that's what's been happening. And after that I'll go back probably to React. Oh, I have to go back to C# again. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Good morning. First of all, I'm gonna admit I am terrible at this. The only way I see that I'm improving is because I am so busy that I do not care. So I just hit record whenever I can remember and then just say whatever is going on, and that's it. So even from yesterday, I recorded when I left the house, got into the office, got too busy, forgot that I was even actually supposed to give you an update. Recorded a few clips, I think you've seen them, but yeah, been way too busy. The only way that I'm making good progress is because I do not care. So I guess that's also part of the solution, I guess. So today I'm working from home, not feeling very well so much, so I was like, nah, let me work from home today. And yeah, I think today I have the time to update you, so stay tuned for that. I know I said it's gonna be 5 days, but I'm just gonna cut it short today. So I'm just gonna tell you what I think and you tell me what my progress is like. So all of these clips I've always taken the first clip. Everything is not cutted, it's not edited. I just cut out the useless parts, but I did this so to do my experiments, right? There goes my daily watermelon intake. I am so obsessed with this. but that's not the point. So if you've been watching this and you actually came to this point, you tell me what you think and how you think my engagement was. I know I didn't really do much in public because I really wanted to do something when I'm outside and see how I can improve that as well. I might do a 7-day and try to keep it consistent. I always say that, but yeah, don't blame me for that. Meanwhile, if you are wondering what I'm working on, remember that component I said I was working on a couple of weeks ago? So this project that we have a demo on, finally get to use that component. So it's been nice actually using your own work in another project and testing it and seeing if everything works, because I tested that. I remember I said I did a hack to test that out and whatnot, so it came out not working at first, but yeah, ended up working because I was actually missing quite a few things and I thought maybe there was a bug. The only thing I missed was the styling, making the font a bit bolder, so I just pushed that. But other than that, I was using that component here and that has been nice, and most of the work is actually done. The demo is postponed, but most of the work is done. Now they're just testing. If there are bugs, they tell us, and then I go to the screens and configure whatever that I might have been missing. So that's what's been happening this entire week. I think I got into the specifics a bit for you to understand what I'm doing. If you have any questions, tell me down below. What do you think of my progress? How do you think I should improve, or do you think I'm engaging enough, or do you think it's missing? What should I add more when I'm doing like this kind of videos, when it's like kind of the day in the life? I think I'm talking too much now. I'm gonna cut this short. Thank you for watching this up until this point. I'm considering giving a t-shirt when we get to 5k subscribers. Thank you for 3k. Yeah, that was very quick. Thank you for 3k. I think it's the previous video that's doing so well. Thank you for 3k. 5k, I'm giving out one of these t-shirts, but they are better now. This was like the first version. You see how big the font is. Now they are better. Way too better in my opinion. But I am now talking too much. Goodbye. See you in the next one. Let me enjoy my watermelon. Let me finish up the work of the day. It's 3 p.m. right now. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.